Normally a fireplace equals warmth and coziness, but when insufficient chimney draft makes it difficult to light the fire and causes smoke and particles to spill into the living room, the fireplace quickly loses its charm. This was precisely what happened to Gylve from Senifjord, Norway, after he installed an open fireplace in his home. We had issues with smoke spilling out here. When we bought the house, this fireplace was not here, so we had it built, including the chimney. And the chimney was probably a tad too short compared to the height of the roof. So, every time we lit the fireplace, we experienced smoke spilling out into the living room, which was just very unpleasant. The result being that we used the fireplace less and less frequently. But then I came into contact with my good friend Arnie, who suggested I install a chimney fan on the chimney. After this, the problem went away. The chimney fan from Exodraft ensures an immediate and consistent chimney draft, while simultaneously reducing the emissions of particles by 80% in the living room and 20% outside near the chimney. Visit us at www.exodraft-chimneyfans.co.uk and find a dealer near you.